Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can place bait on 1xBet app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on 1xBet and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of 1xBet apps on in the screen, where you can see lots of games, and let's choose Crash on in the screen. Now you'll be redirected to the official game of Crash on 1xBet app. Now in here you can see place a bet option at left side of the screen. Once you click on it, you will be able to place a bet successfully. So basically this is how you can place bet on 1xBet app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with all of this content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.